Hi everyone, and welcome to my 7-day heart-opening meditation and movement series. I'm excited that you're here joining me today on my YouTube channel, and I'm excited to share something with you that I've been working on in my personal practice and don't have a lot of other videos on my YouTube as well. So I want this to be relaxing, I want this to be inviting, and I invite you just to show up however you'd like. So I specifically put on a cozy sweatshirt and just rolled up my mat so that it was a little bit more padded to sit on. Feel free to wear whatever you'd like, sit wherever you want to in your home, and find a space of freedom that's quiet and allows you to move into this meditation with me. Now in this 7-day series, we'll work on opening the front body, which is the heart. Some of the meditation is going to be linked to movement. Today, it's going to be purely seated and quiet to kind of see how your mind moves into it. Once we link the meditation, the movement, we'll also link the pranayama, the breath. So then we'll have that overall sense of well-being, which helps define our yoga practice and moves very well into the asana base of our yoga practice, which is all the poses. So I'll be your timekeeper. You don't have to focus on anything else. You can close your eyes the entire time. I would recommend sitting, but if you need to lay down because your back hurts, you're also welcome to do that too. Maybe bend your knees and plant your feet. So again, short, sweet, and simple. We're going to start with 5 minutes of just sitting quietly together. I'll talk to you a bit, and again, I'll keep your time. So your job is just to remain seated, quiet, and notice what's happening. We'll start in 3, 2, please close your eyes. As we close our eyes together, I invite you just to feel the crown of your head reach straight out. I'm going to talk you through this almost like a variation of yoga nidra, but not putting you to sleep, instead awakening the body and feeling alive. So noticing kind of how you're feeling. Maybe you're scared of meditation, or maybe it's something that you've done all the time, you just prefer to do it guided. For me, it's the idea of just forcing stillness and silence with my eyes closed and allowing things to happen. So let's go ahead and close our mouth if it's not yet closed. And I invite you to take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the same way. Slowly let the breath exit the body. And then again, cue inhale. Exhale. How deep and long inhale. How deep and long exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Your job is to keep breathing. My job is to keep you in this moment, this quiet moment together, where we have learned how to be in our bodies, experience our breath, and just start to explore. Practice not focusing on what's coming up or what's not coming up. Instead, please try right now in this first session to just be in this very moment. So your job is to remain quiet, relaxed, and just sitting with me in a space where you're comfortable and where you're breathing. Inhale as you breathe in. Exhale as you breathe out. I'll cue you a time today to help you, so you're about halfway there. Just finish your breath for these last 2.5 minutes and notice where the body went. Are you fidgeting, or are you still? Are you relaxed, or are you more stressed? And notice in the next 7 days how you transform. It's an amazing experience when you repeat movement, because your body gets used to it. The muscle memory of meditation, the muscle memory of our movement, and then linking the two together is a beautiful practice. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. 90 seconds, just spread, just breathe. Do the best you can to sit up tall. Do the best you can to unclench and relax. Do the best you can in this moment, in this present state of where your meditation is. As we approach less than 60 seconds of seated, quiet meditation, can we inhale together? Get on my breath. Exhale with me. Can we inhale together? Link to my breath. Exhale with me. Link with my breath. Exhale with me. Link to my breath. Exhale with me. Open your eyes. And congrats on your first 5 minutes of seated meditation. I am excited to incorporate more movement in the next 6 days that we have together, for that full week of allowing ourselves to be more open to love and opening our hearts. Thank you guys for joining me. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them as you end this practice. Thank you, everyone, and I look forward to joining you, or for you to join me tomorrow.